There's the chicken. Pig.
You got your food?
Yeah, the guy.
Here.
The guy came. Where you from?
Really?
The Philippines. Wow, nice.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, how's everybody doing?
Very good.
Where are we, Selena?
We are in the Chinatown. There's so many
look at
fruits.
this.
Where is that?
I don't know.
Is that the
The
one?
street. Damn, look at this. How many Chinese signs over there? Look at up there. What?
I saw spider. Look.
Yeah, see, I'm seafood.
Look at this car. Oh.
Yeah, that's BMW.
Yeah. What is that?
I don't know.
What is that?
It's like
I just so
shumai.
proud. Wow. I don't know. Now what?
I don't know.
Where can I push it? Now I saw there's different food. What is that?
I don't know what it is.
Can we try?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, let's try. Did you pay already?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh?
Damn, this thing will cost only $2. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let's try it.
Is it good?
It's sweet. It's sweet.
Yeah, it's good actually. It's like those big rosins.
Damn, what was that?
That's mushroom.
That's mushroom.
I don't know what is this.
Those are mushroom.
Yeah, that's mushroom.
Look, there's so
Give the
many.
woman money.
Oh my goodness, there's so many.
Sawadika.
Goodness.
Baby, do you want to cross the road?
Can we cross the... yeah, there's so many streets there. Let's go.
Thank
Can
you.
we cross?
Thank you. Yeah. Selena, that's your favorite.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Smelly food. You want to eat this?
Yeah, can I try it?
Yeah.
It smells so good. Oh my god, that's so big one.
No. Too much.
Yeah,
Philippines.
it's
Yeah.
okay. Thank
Me,
you.
Europe. Yeah, Europe. Okay, give me the
That's
Thank you
so
so much.
much. Look at this.
Damn, it's so smelly.
It's not that sweet.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but it's good. What's
A
this?
chicken.
Huh?
A chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah.
What kind of chicken? This the chicken. Pig.
Damn, you're so excited.
Because I never seen like those. This mascara.
Maybe.
Mascara. Look, that's a pig face.
Oh yeah. That's
Yeah, that's
a big.
chicken. That's duck. That's not chicken. That's duck.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's duck. My heart is like that.
Why?
I don't know because I never seen those. I was just so amazed with those thing here.
Sawadika.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's groaning. It's cooking.
Guys, you see, we don't have much room here to walk.
Yeah.
Maybe, let me think.
Huh?
I think we have to go there.
I wanna try that fruit.
What fruit?
That one.
Okay, sure. Closer. Can I take? I will just take two. Thank you.
Let me try.
Oh yeah.
It's like that.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Let me taste.
Damn, it's crazy. You know what it is? Is it bitter?
Sour.
Put it there inside.
Not in my fruit. I just put it.
Damn, guys, check this. I just saw this yesterday from TikTok with the fan, you know. Solar. Yeah, solar charging. Damn, that's crazy. Very amazing. Baby boy, let's go.
Should we go there?
No,
Here?
we go there.
Okay.
It's very tiny street. Like this street, we just go like endlessly.
Ah, really?
Yeah. You said you want to buy slippers, so keep an eye on slippers.
Slipper. Oh my god, the puppy. Yeah. I need some slipper. Did you feel it?
Aircon.
Aircon.
Yeah. Because some
Oh
stores
my
they have
God.
aircon. Yeah. More you go, less room you have. Baby boy. Water time.
You got the water. Do you want to hold it yourself?
Yeah, baby boy, he needs to drink water.
And there's a motorbike also coming here.
Yeah, of course. And this place will go even crazier, baby.
Huh?
This will go even crazier.
Really? Why are there so many people there?
What they all want? You want here?
No way.
Why not?
I have
Damn. Thank you so much. Thank you. Baby boy, look.
He
You
got
got pants.
He got his pants.
Yeah. So much traffic. You didn't find any shop where to go.
No, because there's so many.
Woman,
really?
yeah, woman color, Adidas,
one?
everything. You want Adidas?
Yeah, I need this one.
You want Nike?
Yeah.
How many you want?
Adidas. I want
Yeah,
that one. Yeah.
How much?
Buy the socks here.
Yeah. Like that. No, it's okay. I will put it in the backpack. Thank you so much, miss.
Pila?
100.
100?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Really?
3 USD.
Oh, baby boy got the cup. Look at baby boy. Yeah, throw it away, anak.
10 pairs.
There's so many.
It's crazy. For 3 USD. Okay, baby, let's go. Oh, wow. Very nice toy. Hello, sir. Lots of people, right?
Yeah, so many people.
Yeah. Lots of
Hey,
stuff
because
also,
it's
right?
cheaper here, that's why they come here.
No.
Penny, where should we go?
I don't know, let's go right for a moment.
Yeah, let's go.
Do you want to continue going there?
Huh? No, let's go here.
There, right?
Let's go
Yeah,
here.
there's too many people.
Yeah, there's so many. It's so hard.
Same guys, do you remember in Bali, I bought the wallet and I said it's real leather, right? Look at
Yeah,
this.
you said.
I will show you.
This really-
Because those women, they told me in the store it's real leather. Look at this real leather wallet. Look at this Quicksilver, guys. Look at this shit.
It's not leather.
Yeah, it's not leather also.
Yeah, it's leather, but the copy one, not the original one.
Damn, look at this shit. Damn, I can't believe. And they charged me so much. They basically scammed me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got scammed in Bali.
So,
Now we need to buy too big.
So.
Water. What's here?
What
the hell is this?
A goose. A goose.
Iron.
There's apartment. Room for rent.
Look at this.
Where should we go?
It's 8, it's 8. Baby, be careful. Sawadee-kap. Yeah,
Hi.
I will have one of this.
You know what is it?
No.
This is a Chinese melon with pork fat. This one is sweet yellow bean.
Yeah, that's very good.
Hello. And this one is salty yellow bean with a little bit pepper.
Yeah, I will take this one and this one also.
No, it's not good.
Not good.
Try this one.
Not good. Put it back there with your mouth.
This is good? Plus one.
I want to give baby boy cold water.
But the thing here is, I think it's healthy because it's not sweet.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, the bread here is not sweet. It's
Who's selling this? I will take one. Yeah. Then I will take
too
this.
big. More.
Yeah. Me also one.
That's good.
Karma.
Did I put down in the size? La 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 daddy. Slipper.
Stem. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, wait. How much?
How much?
300 baht.
How much? 300.
Yeah, wait. Why nobody wants money? You got your food?
Yeah, the guy.
Here.
The guy came to say, where you from?
Really?
The Philippines. Wow, nice.
Baby boy, dangerous.
Oh my God. Be careful. My heart is bumping already.
Oh my god.
How we do this? Truly, look at Bebo is laughing. Bebo is smiling. Okay, cool. He likes it.
Hallelujah.
Where do you buy tickets?
I will go buy ticket.
Okay. I'll just wait here.
Yeah. Look at this. That's the ticket.
That's the ticket.
Yeah, that's like this.
Why is coins?
Yeah, it's like magnetic. You wanna eat your sandwich?
Yeah. That's their bread here.
Is
This
it?
one tastes nothing. It's just salty.
Yeah.
This one is sweet.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's so muffin.
Yeah, that's very good. Selina's trying this stuff, you know. Me, I don't want. Good job, dear man. Oh wow, lots of people. Lots of people. Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Baby, miss, sir.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Where is that? Excuse me. Bye bye.
Wow. You just throw it there. No, no. Yeah. The metro is much cheaper than SkyTrain. I think we paid only how much? 46?
I don't know how much.
Yeah,
but
like 1.5 USD.
Puja! It's
Yeah.
evening. Oh, welcome to the Bangkok.
Now we're gonna take a SkyTrain, and the SkyTrain is over there. Selina, do you
Yep.
wanna see foreigners?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go through this place.
Where?
Cowboy Street.
Where?
Over here. You go straight.
Oh, really?
Yeah, go.
Can we go
Cowboy.
here with the baby?
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, it's a restaurant. Saudi ka. Yeah, baby wants to see the woman. Hello, hello. Yeah, you wanna have a massage?
Is it? Is it?
Yeah, in the nighttime it's gonna be crazy
Yeah,
here.
really?
Yeah, but that's not the one. It's just
This is not the one?
Yeah, that's the one that's close to our home.
This is Pattaya, no?
Huh?
This is Pattaya, no?
No, no, no. Yeah, it's
Ano?
similar.
Huh?
It's similar.
Ah, really?
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay, it's
I
okay.
wanna see the woman with the
Yeah.
bikinis.
Yeah, they're gonna have to have. Saudi ka. Let me have just two. Yeah, yeah. How much? 15. Okay, okay.
Baby,
You
wanna
try
buy?
first. You like it? Yeah. Baby, look there. No, no, no. Look over there. Massage woman.
Wow.
Yeah.
Really? That's so scary. So scary. Damn, I'm still in shock with this place.
But do you like it?
Yeah?
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
Yeah.
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
I give Selina money. Selina can buy the ticket. You have the ticket. Ask what platform. Ask
Huh?
what number.
What number is it?
On note inside platform 1.
Number one. I think one.
Number
Inside
one.
there.
Oh my goodness. Super hot. It's crazy. Is it coming? Other way. Yeah.
Another one.
Let's go, let's go.
I think.
On note.
Oh wow, then guys, we got home. We wanna go to the pool, but I cannot go to the pool right away. I need to go buy some water. Hello. No. Give me all of this. Then now I gotta walk back. So tired, so hungry. I can complain all night. Baby boy. Woo! Hey guys, we took another swim. We took a morning kotsa in the swim. Now we're just waiting the food.
Yeah.
Yeah, a Sweden food. And Selina later will do her salmon.
Ah, I thought it's a Thai food.
No, it's from Sweden. It's Europe food, Europe food.
Okay, look.
Do you miss nature? You wanna go nature?
No, no,
Not yet.
not yet. I see so much nature in the Philippines.
Yeah.
I wanna see the more
City.
buildings.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
But then Thailand is nice, you know why?
Why?
Everything is so smooth, right? Like in Tumakete, you always have to deal with some kind of shit.
Yeah, here is nice.
Here is just everything is like, it's even better than Western actually, to be honest.
Yeah, but me, I cannot see it here because for me, I'm still shocked with the place. Like it's so big, so wide.
Yeah, of
I don't
course.
even know how to explain it.
Yeah.
How the place is. My feet is smelling.
Yes, it is smelling. Baby, what do you think about your new life? You like the pool and everything. One thing we need a bigger apartment.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need car, we need everything, but we have few things to do, you know, before we're gonna do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We do that later.
Yeah, once we get the car, then we're gonna go drive around, you know. We're not gonna stay in Bangkok.
Yeah, we can see. I
Yeah.
wanna see outside also.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's so much thing I wanna see. Still.
Me also.
Yeah, there's so many things.
Yeah,
so
we
just
wanna go
wanna
drive up north. It's like 1,000 kilometers up, you know, see the mountains and everything. So maybe instead
It's
of
my second day today, right? It's our second day.
Yeah, second day, yeah.
Yeah, second day.
yeah.
Second day.
But me, I think we're not gonna live in Bangkok. But I think we will go somewhere up in the north. We're gonna have a house with the pool and everything, instead of living here.
Far from the city.
Far from Bangkok, yeah. Or the other option is we're gonna have a house here, and we're just gonna keep this apartment. Because when we're gonna come to the Bangkok, we just stay here because that's a very cheap apartment.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And if we can have a
But
house
we'll pay
somewhere
double.
else. No, because this apartment is like 10,000.
Ah, yeah, it's
and
not
the
right.
and the house will be like 40 probably.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smart.
Or maybe I don't know. Let's see.
Yeah, let's just see later.
Yeah. In Bangkok, it's an apartment. There's no point giving this apartment away because it's such a good apartment.
Yeah, it is good.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah.
small, you know.
Yeah,
the
it's
electricity, like everything is so cheap here.
Yeah, it's very
I have
very
good
fun,
internet, cheap electricity, pool, gym, everything,
right? Yeah.
and it's like free.
Yeah.
For example, imagine we're gonna live in the mountains, right? We're gonna take the car somewhere far away. We drive the car here. We park the car under the house,
Yeah.
and here we're just gonna go airport.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which one is streets?
Ooh.
Ah.
Ooh. It's good, right? No fat. It's all
No
meat.
fat?
Yeah, it's all meat. It looks like there's a lot of fat, but actually it's all meat. Only thing is sweet.
This one is much better than this one.
Yeah. You like this one more?
Yeah.
Serena wants to do her salmon.
Yeah.
Yeah, she have to do it, otherwise it's gonna get bad.
Yeah, of course. It's so expensive. What?
Yeah.
Did I touch it?
I don't
No,
know.
I did not touch it. Oi.
Ooh la la. Your salmon.
Gee, that's my salmon.
Super good, huh? So guys, that was it. That was the whole day. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this video. If you like this video, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and guys, as always, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Baby bye. Bye bye.